Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to improve video quality in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their official website, which is Wondershare Filmora, and download the actual Filmora application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into your program, but it's not necessary if you don't have to. Basically what you now need to do is go and check out what we actually have here. We have the file option, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And the export is great because we don't have anything to export at the moment. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how to improve video quality in Filmora. Basically, what you can do is when you put your video, so basically you put a sample video in like this, you then, when it comes in, go and put it here, and here you can go and do whatever you want with the video. You can go edit it, you can go delete it or whatever, and when it is ready to be exported, then what you need to do guys is go and click on export. And here guys, you can see that we have MP4, so we can go and get it as video. Here we have the resolution and where we can go and click on settings, and here we can go and improve the video quality. You can put a better resolution, better frame rate, better bit rate. So you can go, and if you have a better PC, you just click on the quality, good, better, best. So basically you can go do it there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.